Welcome to VideoZen, your ultimate solution for hassle-free video creation and management. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to download your videos and explore our pricing plans. Let's begin with downloading your video. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, accessing your content offline is essential. Here's how you can do it. First, if your video ends on the editor page, simply click on the Generate button. Wait for a few moments while our powerful algorithms work their magic to process your video. If your video has already been generated, it will start playing automatically. Click on the Download button and your video will start downloading instantly. Now let's explore our pricing plans, designed to cater to your specific needs. First up, we have the basic plan, perfect for those starting out. It's free to use, but your videos will have watermarks. You'll get 5 text to videos, 5 video summarizations, 60 minutes of recording, and 2 GB cloud storage. However, if you wish to download any video without watermarks without committing to a subscription, you can simply pay $5 per video. Next, we have the individual plan, priced at $12.50 per month if billed annually or $25 on a monthly basis. This plan is ideal for solo creators and small businesses. With the individual plan, you get 50 text to videos per month, 25 video summarizations per month, 1,000 minutes of recording per month, 5 GB cloud storage per month, human-like voices, stock images and videos, brand kit, and upload media. Lastly, for larger teams and organizations, we offer the Enterprise plan at $100 per month. This plan provides unlimited access to all our features with 100 GB cloud storage per month, ensuring maximum flexibility and scalability. So, whether you're an individual creator or a large enterprise, VideoZen has the perfect plan for you. Start creating, downloading, and sharing your videos effortlessly today with VideoZen.